Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Learn Think Right. In the last video we have started with list and we are already done with the ordered list. In this video we will be seeing unordered list. So what is unordered list in HTML? In ordered list we are sequencing the numbers with the help of members of the list with the help of numbers, and in unordered list we are simply highlighting the points. Okay, so if suppose you have some description and you want to write that description with title and few points, you will be using the unordered lists. So let us see how to write unordered list. Unordered list are written inside the tag ul. Okay, ul, that is unordered list, opening tag and closing tag. Then the list items are same like ordered list, li, that is list item. Now suppose like the same way we prepared a list for fruits, in this video also we are doing the same thing but with the help of unordered list. So this is the list of fruits and we are having 4 fruits: apple, sapota, lychee and grapes. And now let us see how it is displayed. In the output you can see there are no numbers. Okay, they are simply displayed with the help of dots. Now if suppose you want to display them with the help of like instead of dots you want some bullets. Okay, bulleted structure, that time you use the attribute of ul type. Okay, so in type you write type equals to suppose you write here square. So let us see what will be displayed here, how it is displayed. As you can see, these are bullets and filled bullets. Okay, now if suppose I want circles, then you have to write here circle, and circle will be displayed in hollow. Okay, circle, let's display it. Now you can see the circles are hollow. So this was about the unordered list. You need not maintain any kind of sequence, you can write them in any sequence. So this was about the unordered list. We'll be seeing some more in next videos. Till then, subscribe the channel. Thank you.